story. A bee and a dog. One day a bee fell in a tank. He found no hope of coming out. Please subscribe for my educational YouTube channel powered by Sikha. Uh, Please like and share with friends. A dove noticed it. She dropped a large leaf, leaf in the tank. The bee jumped upon the leaf. The sea saved uh, himself from sinking into the water. A few days later, the bee saw that the dove was in danger. A hunter was aiming at the bird, but the bird could not see the hunter. Uh, the bee decided to save the helper, so he stung the hunter at his hand. The hunter cried out in pain and missed the target. The dove was the saved moral an act of helping is always reciprocated. Thank you.